So in this lecture, I'm going to discuss about the calculation for inductance of three-phase symmetrical transmission line. So here, first of all, you have to consider three phases: phase A, phase B, phase C. Now these three phases are placed at equal distance and make a perfect equilateral triangle like this. So the radius of each conductors are taken r, and the distance between between A to B, B to C, and C to A is taken equal, that is D. So this is a balanced three-phase system. So for balanced three-phase system, you know that total current IA plus IB plus IC must be equals to 0. And now consider any point P situated at infinite distance, external point P situated at at infinite. The distance are given DAP, DBP, and DCP. These are the three distances respectively. Now, in this derivation, consider flux linked by conductor of phase A due to a current IA. Includes the internal flux linkages but excludes the flux linkages beyond P. So we are considering up to point A to P and due to current IA only. Then what will be the flux linkages? Lambda APA due to current IA only. It becomes half into half plus 2 into DAP divided by dash R dash. This is actually dash into 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now it becomes 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 IA ln dPA divided by R dash. So this will be the flux linkages from A to P due to current IA only. Now flux linkages between A to P due to IB current, what will be the flux linkages? It becomes 2 into 10 to the minus 7 IB ln dPB divided by D. So here dPB, so both point B and P, they are external points. Both point dPB, suppose it is taken D2, and this D, this is the distance between A to B conductor, it is taken D1. So B point and P point, they both are external point to conductor A. Therefore, it is taken dPB divided by D. Similarly, DAPC is equals to 2 into 10 to the minus 7 IC ln DPC divided by D. Same expression and same procedure. Okay, so these are the three flux linkages due to three currents, and these are the flux linkages taken between point A to point P. So next, total flux linkages. These are the summation of these three flux linkages, lambda APA plus lambda APB plus lambda APC. So if we take the summation, what we get? This expression, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 IA ln D PA by R dash plus IB ln DPB by D plus IC ln DPC by D. So these are the three flux linkages, and this is taken equation number 1. If we want to expand the equation, and if we separate the denominator parts and the numerator parts, what we have? We get this expression, 2 into 10 to the minus 7 IA ln 1 by R dash plus IB ln 1 by d plus IC ln 1 by d. So here ln 1 by d, this part is common, so you can take IB plus IC into ln 1 by d here. And in the next portion, that is IA ln dPA plus IB ln dPB plus IC ln dPC. Okay, so this is your total flux linkages. So next part, this is equation 2, and in the next part we consider balanced current IA plus IB plus IC equals to 0. So IB plus IC can be taken equals to minus IA. Now in equation number 2, instead of IA here, we can put minus IB plus IC, and here we are taking IB plus IC, it is common, ln 1 by d. So after this we get IA ln 1 by r dash. Now IB plus IC, now it is converted to minus IA. Okay, and it is that previous IA, it is converted to minus IB plus IC. 2 into next part, 2 into 10 to the minus 7. So IA ln 1 by r dash minus IA ln 1 by d plus IB ln dPB by dPA plus IC ln dPC by dPA. Okay, so here this ratio dPB by dPA or dPC by dPA, yeah, these distances are at infinite distance, very long distance. So in that case, this ratio can be taken as 1. So in our next slide, we are considering dPA is equals to dPB equals to dPC, because they are long distance at infinite distance. So they can be approximated like this. So this ratio becomes 1. So finally log 1 must be equal to 0. So this part is removed, and the final part is lambda equals to 10 to the minus 7 IA ln 1 by r dash minus IA ln 1 by d. And the remaining part, it becomes 0 because log 1 becomes 0. So finally 2 into 10 to the minus 7 IA ln capital D by r dash. This is the total flux linkages for conductor A. So the inductance in phase A is given as LA equals to lambda A by IA equals to 2 into 10 to the minus 7 ln D by r dash. And for symmetrical line, LB is equals to LC equals to LA. So all inductances are equal, and this will be the value. In our next lecture, I am going to discuss about inductance calculation for asymmetrical line and for transposed line. Okay. Have a good day.